your foot, lift your leg as high as you can without compromising your standing hip. Fold your knee, next pa rin. As much as you can, and then point your